Investing in stocks is quite risky, but actually, it is not that much risky if you have long-term prospects. The thing which matters the most is your research and knowledge about that particular stock in which you want to invest. There is a myth that the stock market is a gambling game, and that's why most people feel shy to make their own decisions regarding purchasing the shares of the particular stock without the advice of a broker or someone else. Detailed analysis of company fundamentals, balance sheet, its growth over the years, and developments make it easy for the investor to decide whether to buy the shares of that particular stock or not. Let's talk about 5 stocks that showed impressive growth over the last 10 years. The number 1 stock we have on our list is Tesla, having a ticker symbol of TSLA. The United States-based company is engaged in the development of electric vehicles and energy generation. Tesla has shown extraordinary growth over the last 10 years and generated billions of dollars over the years. The last fiscal year's revenue for the company was close to $36 billion, representing more than 38% increase over the year. Tesla's stock value has improved by approximately 10,145% in the last decade, which is breathtaking indeed. So, if you had invested $1,000 in Tesla stock in May 2011, you would have approximately $102,459 in 2021. How cool is that? It is undeniable fact that Tesla CEO Elon Musk had put a great effort to achieve this success. He made impossible things possible and bravely faced criticism. In an event of revealing Model S beta in 2011, a vehicle that could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds, Musk replied to the criticism of oil companies by saying, "You had the opportunity to ride a unicorn." On February 9, 2012, the Model X prototype was revealed, which got advance sales of more than $40 million. On June 22, 2012, Tesla made its first delivery of Model S. In 2014, autopilot hardware was added to Model S. In 2015, a giant battery for home was revealed by Tesla. The first mass-market car prototype was introduced. Solar City was purchased of worth $2.6 billion, and Groman engineering firm was also bought by Tesla. A semi-truck was introduced in 2017 which also had self-driving capabilities. In 2019, Tesla Model Y and Cybertruck were introduced. In 2020, Tesla Model S became the first electric vehicle to get an EPA-rated 400-mile range. Now, Tesla has market cap of $555.4 billion and had cash balance of $19,622 million by the end of 2020. The second best performing stock in the last 10 years in our list is Nvidia Corporation stock, that trades with the ticker NVDA. The company is mainly operating in 2 segments. One is graphics and the other one is compute and networking. The recent fiscal year revenue for Nvidia Corporation was $16,675 million, which shows 52.73% growth over the year. Nvidia stock has shown 3,258% growth in the last 10 years. An investment of $1,000 made in 2011 in Nvidia stock converted to $33,583 in 2021. Looks cool indeed. Since the company was founded in 1993, it was well established till 2011 as it shipped 1 billionth graphic processors at that time. In 2012, it launched powerful Tegra 3-based tablets and smartphones. Tegra 4 family was introduced in 2013 by Nvidia. Android gaming reached its peak in 2014 via the launch of Tegra K1 Shield tablet. Nvidia stock made significant development in the areas of artificial intelligence and deep learning. In 2017, the AI supercomputers were powered by Volta GPU architecture by Nvidia stock. Computer graphics were reinvented by Nvidia using Turing architecture by Nvidia. New data centers, autonomous vehicle, and pro-graphics markets were introduced in 2019. Nvidia Ampere GPU architecture was introduced in 2020. Nvidia now has market cap of $362.3 billion and had cash and short-term investments of $11.561 million by the end of January 2021. The third stock in our list that returned high profits over the past 10 years is MarketAxess Holdings Incorporated stock, that trades with the symbol MKTX. MarketAxess Holdings was founded in 2000 and currently is the leading trading platform for fixed income securities. The MKTX stock generated $689,125 million revenue for the fiscal year 2020 and showed 34.77% sales growth over the year. The growth percentage for MKTX stock for the past 10 years is 2,201%, which means that the investment of $1,000 in 2011 has reached to approximately $23,013 in 2021. Over the years, MarketAxess has built a strong and diverse workforce and supporting many organizations in the COVID-19 area. The interesting thing about this stock is that its business model requires little capital and generates plenty of cash in return. The company has current market cap of $17.2 billion and had total assets of $1,331 million by the end of 2020. The fourth best stock we had in the last 10 years is Align Technology Incorporated, that uses the ticker symbol ALGN for trading. Align Technology is a medical device company founded in 1997. The company is engaged in the designing, manufacturing, and marketing of Invisalign clear aligners, and iTero, intraoral scanners and services for orthodontists and general practitioner dentists. ALGN stock revenue for the fiscal year 2020 was $2,472 million, representing yearly growth of 2.71%. Though the fiscal year 2020 performance was not that much high as the market focus was shifted to COVID-19 related stocks. But ALGN showed overall good performance over the last 10 years. ALGN stock grew by 2,192% over the past 10 years. So if you invested $1,000 in 2011 in Align Technology stock, you would have $22,918 million by May 2021. In 2011, the company acquired iTero intraoral scanner, due to which more than 7.5 million restorative crown, bridge, and custom implant cases have been done so far, and more than 10.2 million patients got treated by the company. The company has a large network as doctors of more than 100 markets around the globe use the Invisalign system and iTero scanners. ALGN stock has a market cap of $46.5 billion and had cash of $961 million at the end of 2020. The fifth best performing stock of the decade in our list is Amazon.com, having the ticker symbol of AMZN. Amazon.com is the world's leading e-commerce platform, where more than $17 million sales occur in 1 hour according to recent estimates. Amazon stock recorded $386,064 million revenue for the fiscal year 2020, and its sales growth increased by 38% over the year. The stock performance in the past 10 years is quite satisfactory, as it grew by 1,508%. So an investment of $1,000 in 2011 means $16,076 in 2021. The COVID-19 has greatly benefited the e-commerce business, and this is the reason that Amazon sales growth increased significantly in the recent year and is likely to increase more in the future. The CEO of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, is the richest person on Earth so far, having a net worth of $188.5 billion. The company has a market cap of $1.63 trillion and had cash and short-term investments of $84,653 million by the end of 2020. So, these are the 5 best performing stocks in the last 10 years. What do you think, which stock will be the huge winner for the next 10 years? Comment below to share your view. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss the upcoming videos from us.